Hello, welcome. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to install a template from TeamXplore on your website and use this template to build anything you want. So first thing you want to do is to head over to teamexplore.com. Make sure this page is showing up here. Okay. So on this page, you click on my account at the top right. Once you do that, this page is going to show up, and right here you enter your username or your email address and then your password and hit on login. Okay. So the moment you log in here, you can see that most of these products are currently paid. Once you log in, they're gonna change to free. All right. So the next thing you want to do is to search for a template of your choice. So depending on what you want to build, whether it's for a personal brand or e-commerce, for maybe you want to build a blog, it depends on you. You want to make sure you come here and then search for templates that are good for you. So you can go to see all products. So for me personally, I like to preview things before I get to decide what I want to work with. Okay. So let me see page 2. Let me see what we have here that can work. Okay. So I'm looking to build something for a digital marketing firm. I think this could work. Okay. So let me see this one for digital marketing, maybe for a company, stuff like that. I'm just going to add this to cart. All right. Then proceed to checkout. Okay. And then click on place order. So this is going to give me access to what I want. Okay, so I'm going to click on affirm. All right, and then it shows this page. So you click on download at the top right. So you click on download, and then this file is going to be saved to your laptop. Okay, so you just downloaded right here. Okay, so here's the thing: when you download this template, you don't go outright and upload them. So some people make that mistake, and when they upload it, they say it's not working, it's not working, it's not working. No, after downloading the file, what you want to do is you want to unzip it, because this is a zip file that has other files or folders inside it, and the real template you're meant to upload to your website is inside of it. Because what we have to do is to view this folder, right, and then click on this so you can unzip it. When you unzip it, you can see that we have other folders inside of it. All right, over to your website, go to appearance, go to themes. Okay, then click on add, upload. All right, then here you select this, open and install now. Okay, it's gonna install the theme to your website. All right. Okay, so you can see that it's been installed. Now the next thing is to activate it. So you click on activating. All right, now it says there are required plugins you need to install. So click on install required plugin. It's going to install it. Now every theme has a unique interface. So what you're seeing currently is not going to show that same way for every theme. Okay, so every theme, once you click on activate, it's going to show you a list of plugins you need to activate, and then you can proceed to activate it. Okay, you can see this one, all plugins has been activated. All right. Okay, so everything is done here. Then the next thing you want to do is to import the demo. So demo content are like designs that this theme already has. You can just import them. So you head over to demo imports, and then you can see run demo imports. Okay, once you click on that, it's going to show you different designs. Okay, so let me see what we have here. These designs are actually nice. Let me see what I can work with. Digital agency. I think I like this one. Import. Okay, then run demo import. All right, so I'm just picking this particular template for this example. Okay, when you unzip other files, other folders, inside of it, you're going to see documentation. So that documentation is going to show you step by step how you should install that particular template. Okay, how you can import demo content and how you can go on to do what you want to do. So here you can see that this import process is done now. Click on view site. Okay, once you do that, you will see that template has been imported. Are you seeing it? Everything has been imported. You don't have to build anything. So all you need to do now is to head over and edit it. So when you come back to your dashboard, all right, go back to dashboard, you come over to pages and click on pages. This is where you can see your home page. Okay, if you look at these things, you can see you have different pages here. All right, so this one is my website. You can see about, blog, card, home. You click on next. Click on next, you'll see different pages here. So product landing, this is the front page. If you want to edit this website now, you can just click on edit to Elementor here, or you can just come here. You can see this page that says front page. Click on edit with Elementor. It opens up, and here you can go on to change anything you want. Okay, I'm going to show you. You can change literally anything you want and customize it to how you want your website to be. It's easy as ABC. It's not difficult to do. Once you can follow instructions, you're good to go. Okay, so you can see this one, skip. So come here, find your smart business too. So I can say, grow your, online, business today. Okay, grow your online business today. This is it. And then I just hit on publish. Okay, so once I push this change I made is going to show up in the front end. So you can see here it's showing find your smart business tool, right? If I refresh this page, once I refresh it's going to show grow your business online today. See, it's that simple. So you can go on and edit this for your clients. You can change these colors, you can change these images. Every single thing you see here, you can easily change it without hassle. All right, so go on, enjoy, explore, and yeah, we're good to go.